Hey everyone, and welcome back. Need automation, but don't have Asana's paid rules feature? In this video, I'll show you clever workarounds to automate tasks in the free plan, since the free plan doesn't include rules. We have to get creative first. Use templates. Set up a perfect task or project once, with all the subtasks, assignees, and due dates. Save it as a template. Now duplicate it whenever you need to start that same process. It's a manual click, but it saves you from building from scratch every time. Second, master multi-homing. You can add a single task to multiple projects. Create a master approval project. When you have a task that needs approval, add it to that project too. Now, everyone can see all approval tasks in one place without any automation. Third, use custom fields as triggers. Create a custom field like status. Train your team that when they change the status to ready for review, they also mention the manager in a comment. It's a manual trigger, but it creates a consistent process. Finally, create a recurring review and assign task for yourself. Every Monday, check a specific project and manually assign new tasks. It's not automatic, but it's a fail-safe system. And that's it. These workarounds help you simulate automation and keep your projects running smoothly on the free plan. If you use one of these hacks, let me know which one in the comments. See you in the next one.